very, very, very important things. Our women members of the parliament, they are also elected members of the parliament with big majority. They came with great pain and agony through the political movement, and then only they become the member of parliament. That day when the issue happened, they went into the well. Of course, along with others, they are also there. Then what drama had been created to protect your Prime Minister? I'm not telling this is also. Speakers comment on that. I got an information that, this is what the Speaker told. I got an information that some very bad thing will happen to the Prime Minister. Why the women MPs are planning something. Where he got that information? If that information he got, why don't you give it to the police? Here the security forces are there. We are not ruling this country. We are not ruling this country. When you giving a very, very defamative, derogatory statement against women MPs, that was one of the most irresponsible statement by the Honorable Speaker, sir. Most irresponsible statement. No. I'm not yielding. I'm not yielding. Sir, if you have got such information, if you have got such information, that's a serious thing.
Allegation against the speaker.
If you have got such information, that's a serious thing.
ऐसा नहीं होगा.
You have to.
We are
Just a minute.
we are discussing about resolution on speaker.
Just a minute.
Sir, Venugopal ji, you have made a very serious allegations against the speaker's statement. I have to speak because this house cannot be. We are discussing on the resolution to remove speaker. So while we are discussing, while we are making allegation, we must be very, very careful that what is the nature of that allegation. Honorable Speaker Om Birla ji is not sitting on the chair. So he is not here to make clarification to the allegation you have made. Now he is not in the chair right now. My point is, since you have made a very serious allegation about the sitting speaker, that you speaker's statement about the threat by the women MPs who were rushing to the well and gearing in front of the seat where Honorable Prime Minister sits.
ठीक है किरण जी.